Should I learn to play piano or guitar? The short answer is both. Now, of course, with our busy lives and our modern lifestyles, the lack of time may not be able to make it possible for everyone out there. However, it is still highly recommended that you learn both a stringed instrument and a keyboard instrument. Yes, I know pianos are considered to be strings, but bear with me, since this will not only solidify your own overall musicality, but it will also make you a very versatile musician. As a guitar player, you'll understand and appreciate how frets and strings can produce the same note and/or chords in various different places on your instrument. Additionally, you'll also be able to play the basics on a bass guitar, provided you develop significant technique to start off with. Now please note that this does not mean that any guitarist can just become a great bassist overnight simply because they play guitar. You see, I've worked with amazing bassists, both electric and acoustics or double bass players, who have dedicated their entire lives to their art. This article only suggests that the basics to both the guitar, whether it be acoustic and or electric, and the bass guitar are similar in fundamental nature. For example, the first 4 strings. Thereby, it makes it a little bit easier to transition between the two or play both instruments at a beginner or basic level. Now the piano, which is very well laid out and quite visual, this makes it easier to learn. You see, you can visualize the intervals much better on a piano. And it's even color-coded, with a physical 3D layout separating the black and the white keys. See, the piano has the advantage in that it can play harmony and melody simultaneously, far easier than you ever could on a guitar or bass. It also allows you for a wider range of pitch, which mirrors an entire orchestra underneath your fingers. Now, coming from personal experience, I highly recommend that you learn the basics of both instruments. Guitar will teach you how to tune a string, which will thereby sharpen your ear. And the guitar is a far easier instrument to transport wherever you go. Now the piano, on the other hand, is very good for visualizing other intervals and musical concepts / theory, as I said before. But plus, it also allows for a greater pitch range of effects using the pedals and the registers available to you. Plus, learning to play a keyboard will allow you to then transition over to synthesizers, digital pianos, which can then in turn be used to do production work, composition work, digital music production, etc. And connecting it to recording equipment, as well as devices and computers. So, for the best of both worlds, you've got to visit Premierepiano.shop, as you'll find plenty of free resources, as well as a professional online course for beginner pianists and our music production courses. Above all, please remember to enjoy your learning journey and only strive to be the best that you can, never comparing yourself to others, since music is a lifelong journey that should be enjoyed through whichever instrument you decide to play. Thanks for watching, and check out Premierepiano.shop.